Hi there, students. Brook. Brook is a word that has two meanings. It can either be a noun or a verb. The meanings are completely different. So the easy one, a brook, a little river, a stream. There was a brook running down the mountainside. And then to brook. This we nearly always find in the negative, in the phrase, I will brook no discontent. I will not brook any complaining. So not allow, not accept. Yeah, especially with a difference of opinion. Yeah, I will not brook any criticism of my work. Yeah, he would. He's a person who will brook no dissent to his intended course of action. Yeah. Okay. This is a course of action that brooks no contradiction. Dictators don't brook opposition. So to brook, to tolerate, to put up with, but in the negative. Yeah, brook no something, or not to brook something. Okay, so a stream, a river. It's maybe a little bit literary. So, for example, in a tree by the brook there's a songbird who sings. Sometimes all our thoughts are misgiven. So, a brook, yeah? And then to brook, to put up with, to tolerate, to stand for. I will brook no interference in my plans. I will brook no weakening of my position. Okay? I will not allow, I will not suffer, I will not stand for, I will not put up with. Yeah, I will brook no more argument about this matter. Yeah, I won't tolerate it. I won't stand for it. Yeah, he won't brook any interference in what he's doing. The government will brook no changes to this plan. Okay, so not to brook something, to refuse to allow it, to refuse to put up with it. I will not brook disobedience in this class. Yeah, I will not brook people bringing mobile phones into my class. I won't bear it. I won't endure it. I won't support it. Yeah, and normally it's with some sort of abstract noun as the object. So I won't brook in disobedience, I won't brook interference, I won't brook dissension, I won't brook argument. That's how we normally use this brook. Yeah, so I'm not going to brook interference or opposition from anybody. Yeah, I'm not going to put up with it. I am in supreme command. Yeah, if somebody won't brook something, this is very dictatorial. Okay, let's look at formality. So the brook, meaning the little stream, this is a rather literary word. Yeah, I think informally I would use the word a stream or a small river. So I think a brook as a river, 6.5 in formality. Semi-formal conversation, maybe. Something literary, something poetic sounds perfect. And then I won't brook interference from anybody. This is fairly formal as well. I think I'm going to give this 6.5, maybe, yeah, something like 6.5. I think you could use it in a semi-formal conversation. I wouldn't use it informally. I won't tolerate, I won't put up with. Yeah, use it semi-formal writing. Formal writing is the best place to put it. Yeah, so the government will brook no dissension from party members. Then, as to origin, the brook as in the little river. This comes from Old English brook, a stream. Proto-West Germanic brook, a stream as well. And then not to brook, to refuse, from Old English brukan, to enjoy. So I won't enjoy, I won't tolerate. From Proto-Germanic brukana, to enjoy or to use. Yeah, from Proto-Indo-European brook, meaning to enjoy. Okay, so if somebody says I won't brook any interference, this is saying that I'm not going to put up with it. I'm not going to stand for it. Anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Brook.